Good morning. Sean Tackaberry here with Kona Hyundai. I am here with Blair, the president of the New Car Dealers Association of British Columbia, and we are here together taking delivery of this brand new 2021 Kona Electric, fully electric vehicle. Ultimate, that's right.
There you go.
As you guys know, there's $8,000 in government rebates on the Kona Electric right now, coming from both the federal and provincial government. So you're gonna get an $8,000 after-tax rebate, really exciting, and you get to be a part of the fun and the spark and excitement around what it is to drive a truly emission-free vehicle here in BC. Blair, I know you bought this for a specific purpose. Can you tell a little bit about kind of just what you do and what the vehicle's for?
Yeah, no, thanks, Sean. I mean, we're privileged at the New Car Dealers Association of BC to administer the Clean BC Go Electric rebate program on behalf of the province of British Columbia. And we like to have what we call a rolling billboard, which is a vehicle that we use, take around the province to events, to allow British Columbians that may not have had an experience with an electric vehicle to check one out and see what the latest technology is. So this particular one is brand spanking new, has all of the latest technology, which is really important for us to show to consumers in British Columbia what you can get in an electric vehicle these days. Lots of people have questions on why would I want to drive an EV? Well, we're going to use this as a way to show people around the province that EVs are here, they're terrific, and you got to try it out.
Thanks so much, Blair. I really appreciate that. If you look into the vehicle right here, as you can see, this is the engine, the electric motor of an EV vehicle. There's no spark plugs, no need for that, no need for oil changes, no need for that. Basically all you got to worry about is just general checkup, making sure everything's running up to spec and to standard, and then just your regular brakes, tires, diagnostics, etc. And the Kona Electric right here is where you plug in to charge. This is a universal fit for both the stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3 charger. With this vehicle, guys, for the stage 3 chargers that the city has all around, as well as the government and petrocans all across Canada, it's going to charge your vehicle in less than an hour up to 80%, okay? Everybody else gets those 240 volt stage 2 chargers at home, going to charge overnight while you're sleeping, give you a full charge by the time you wake up in the morning. This is what is the 2021 Kona Electric vehicle. I'm really excited about this vehicle. It's brought in a whole new demographic and clientele for us, and really excited to have Blair drive home in one today. We are now sitting inside the Kona. Obviously have our masks on, as this is very important to both be respectful of everybody's wishes.
When you can't socially distance, you got to wear the mask.
That's right. This vehicle is equipped with forward collision avoidance or autonomous braking. Really exciting, guys. It speeds over 50 kilometers and greater. If you're going to rear end someone and don't take action, the vehicle will take action itself and actually prevent a collision from happening, keeping you and the occupants in your vehicle safe. Not only is it going to make a huge save for you and the occupants, you're also going to get a 10% discount from ICBC on your ICBC premiums. Really exciting stuff. Two things I want to hone into is this touchscreen here.
It's huge.
Click search nearby stations. This vehicle is going to let you know where any EV station is, where you can go and charge up, as well as let you know your range. It'll show a circumference, basically showing where you can get to within any given charge. Another thing you have up here, this heads-up display, exclusive to the Ultimate. It's going to show the speed limit on any given road. It's going to show the speed you're going while you're driving on any given road. It's also going to show important safety features like your blind spot detection monitoring. Your blind spot detection monitoring is going to alert you when someone's in your blind spot. The side view mirrors are going to light up. If you try and signal to that respective blind spot when somebody's there, they'll call a beep at you, letting you know it's not safe to change lanes yet. When you're using the navigation, navigating your way to a destination, the heads-up display is also going to show you arrows when to turn left, right, and so forth. Really exciting feature, adaptive cruise control. If you're going on a road trip and you decide the person in front of you is driving at a nice pace, you can set the distance at what you want to follow that vehicle at, and you will continue to stay that distance following that vehicle regardless of that vehicle's fluctuations in speed. So essentially, you can drive the whole way there with your foot neither on the gas nor the brake. All right, this vehicle, ultimate, very equipped, really exciting. You're gonna have a BlueLink connected system. This is gonna give you the ability to turn on and off your vehicle all from your phone. You'll be able to adjust the climate all from your phone when you turn on the vehicle.
So I can get the air conditioning going before I get in.
That's right.
Beautiful.
You got it. Also, if your vehicle was ever in an accident, somebody hit it while you weren't near your vehicle, you get a notification alerting you that your vehicle has been hit. Finally, you have a wireless charging pad down here to wire charge your devices. And all our vehicles are going to come equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This gives you the ability to plug your phone in. All your favorite apps will sync from your phone directly onto this screen. You can use your Google Maps, you can use your Spotify, your Apple Music. If you like to listen to audiobooks, you can listen to your Audible, and so forth. Really good stuff. And guys, really, the biggest thing, even in our vehicles, even on entry-level models, you're finding that they're feature-rich. Standard, you're gonna get heated seats, you're gonna get a heated steering wheel, you're gonna get a backup camera. Got a sunroof in this guy here as well. Finally, your 8-year, 160,000 kilometer warranty. You have peace of mind on this vehicle. Anything to do with the battery and electric motor for the next 8 years or 160,000 kilometers.
Sean, thanks so very much for taking the time to do this extensive walk around and show me all the new features of this vehicle. As you said, it's like feature rich. This is unbelievable. I mean, I get asked all the time by folks, you know, when I buy an electric vehicle, is it, you know, just kind of a bare bones vehicle or what? This clearly is not. It's got everything you need, the safety features, comfort, the latest technology, and it's telling me 446 kilometers of range right now, which will get me a long way on my way back down to the Lower Mainland. So thanks so very much for arranging all of this. We're looking forward to taking this around the province and showing people the latest technology in electric vehicles. So thanks to Kelowna Hyundai and Hyundai Canada for helping us get this going.
Thank you so much, Blair. It's been exciting to be a part of this. I know I got to pick you up from the airport this morning and we got to chat a bit. It's not so often that, you know, President of New Car Dealers Association comes around, so it's been a pleasure to meet you. And thank you for doing business with us. And we really appreciate it.
Well, thanks for the service. And come and see Sean. He'll help you out.